In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share video and audio in Zoom. If you've ever tried to play a video in a meeting and your participants couldn't hear it, this guide will fix that. We'll walk through the exact flow so your audience sees your screen and clearly hears your computer's sound at the same time. First, open Zoom on your computer. You can use the desktop app for the smoothest experience. Next, join a meeting or start one of your own. You can enter an existing meeting link or create a new session if you're the host. Make sure your video file or browser tab with the clip you want to show is ready to go in the background so you can switch to it quickly once sharing begins. Once you're inside the meeting, look along the bottom toolbar. You'll see the controls for mute, video, participants, and chat. Find the green Share Screen button. This is your gateway to sharing both visuals and sound in one simple flow. Click Share. A window appears showing thumbnails of what you can share. You might see tabs like Basic and Advanced. For most situations, the Basic tab is perfect. Take a moment here. This is where you choose exactly what participants will see. Selecting a specific window keeps your desktop private and focused, while sharing your entire screen lets you switch between apps without stopping the share. Now select the window that contains your video or the browser tab where the clip will play. Position and pause your video at the start so you can press play as soon as sharing begins. If your clip has subtitles, consider enabling them beforehand for accessibility. This keeps everything tidy and professional for your audience. Before you confirm, enable the option to also share system audio. Depending on your Zoom version, it may be labeled Share Sound or Share Computer Audio. Turning this on routes your computer's audio directly into the meeting, so everyone hears the video clearly. Keep your system volume at a comfortable level, and consider using headphones to minimize echo picked up by your microphone. If you don't see the audio option, make sure you're on the latest Zoom version and check that you're sharing from the desktop app rather than the browser. Finally, click Share. You'll see a border around the shared content, and your meeting controls may move to the top of the screen. Press play on your video, speak as needed, and keep an eye on the chat for feedback about audio levels. That's it, your video and its sound are now shared seamlessly with your audience.